Hi guys, Detix here. So I've already done a video about photography in Note 10 Pro Max, and my recent video is about best stable Gcam for Note 10 series. So in today's video I'm gonna compare Gcam and stock camera of Note 10 Pro Max in every aspect to see how it performs in day-to-day life. Except front camera for some reason, so sorry for this. But I cover almost everything to show you the comparison between stock camera and Gcam, and let's see if we really need Gcam in Note 10 Pro Max or there is any advantage while using Gcam. Which one is best, stock camera or Gcam? Let's find in this video. So welcome guys, it's your friend Divyansh and you're watching Detix. So guys, let's play a game. I want you guys to choose between left photos or right photos, which I'm about to show you. And I won't tell you which one is from stock camera or which one is from Gcam. All photos of Gcam and stock camera are in their respective sides, either in left or in the right. You can choose any photos either left or right side. And at last, I will reveal which side is of stock camera and which side have Gcam photos and videos. So based on your choices throughout the video, I will let you decide whether to choose stock camera or Gcam. So let's get started. So guys, it's time to reveal the photos and videos you have seen on the right side is from Gcam, and yes, the left one is from stock camera of Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So which one do you actually like in different time or in different mode? Do let me know in comment section, and let me share you my opinion. For me, Note 10 Pro doesn't need Gcam to improve camera performance. It's doing pretty great in every aspect. Sometimes for me it's perform better than Gcam, whether in normal mode, portrait mode, wide angle, or even in macro mode, except for night mode and videography. For me, Gcam has the advantage to get better night photos and better videos with decent stabilization, which I guess is a need of many of you. So it only takes 150 MB of your storage to install Gcam, so I recommend you to keep Gcam as well along with a stock camera to get better videos and good low light photos. And want to know about how to install Gcam? This video will help you in the I button. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you will like this video, and if you have any queries, do let me know in comment section. And guys, you can also show your support by clicking on subscribe button. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care.